Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the update on Veracity. For the past several days or weeks, the price on Veracity is moving inside this down channel, and now we are again dropped down at the support. And while moving to the downside, we have lost a very significant support zone that starts from $0.00238 and goes to $0.00233. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then still candlestick did not break it down. In fact, previously we also had a long spike here. So it is possible that we may have another price reversal from here, and the price and may not break down this support zone on the 7 days time frame chart. However, on the daily time frame chart, we have broken down this support, and now it can break the resistance on this daily time frame chart for the price line of Veracity. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone has been very long-term support zone, and in the history of Veracity, the price line never broke it down. Like we had a very nice bounce here and we had stable touch points here. Then we had another nice bounce, another very massive bounce, and now we are again dropped down inside this support zone. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel. You can see that after the breakout, let me show you on the daily time frame chart. You can see that after the breakout, we had a nice short rally, and during this move, the price and also broke out this descending triangle as well. And this was a triangle, by the way. But while moving to the upside, it was getting rejected again and again by this uptrend line resistance that we found here on 5th of August 2024. We got rejection here, rejection here. And after this rejection, we had a big drop. And now we have broken down this support down. However, we are once again dropped down at the support of this down channel as well. And I would also like to show you a very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Pyth, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this signal I shared on 20th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this, the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. You can see that on the very next candlestick, the price line again into the buying zone here. And we had a very massive pump. Now let me to take you back here on the daily time frame chart of the Veracity. And here you can see that since after 25th of November 2024, the price line of Veracity is moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection here, bounce, rejection, rejection. Then we had another bounce here. And here we had a long spike to the downside, even beyond the support zone. That starts from $0.00238 and goes to $0.002, where the price line recovered back and re-entered the same channel. But it was getting rejected again and again by the previous downtrend resistance. That was, in fact, the resistance of the previous descending triangle. And you can see that we broke out this triangle here, but now we are again re-entered the triangle. And now this previous resistance of the triangle is again working as a resistance for the price line. And the price line has broken down this support zone. And now we are dropped down here at the support of the channel. Now, in case of another price reversal from here, it can hit the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $0.00238 once again. That is the top of this very long-term support line. This is, by the way, very long-term support line. If you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that on this weekly time frame chart, the price never broke it down. However, this time we have formed a new low during this week, and we are breaking down the support down on the 7 days time frame chart. However, we have broken down on the daily time frame chart this support line. Therefore, on the daily time frame chart, it is breaking at the resistance, but it is very important to watch this closing of the candlestick on the 7 days time frame chart because this is a very long-term support and therefore for the safer side we can watch out for the closing on the 7 days time frame chart. If this candlestick will be closed below the support line, then even on the 7 days time frame chart it can be flipped into a very long-term resistance for the price line of Veracity. And in case of breaking out this channel, we can expect a price reversal from here, and the technical target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $0.007. Previously, we also broke out this channel as well. And the technical target was here at 1.6x essentially approximately. And you can see the price line moved up to 0.0081 dollar. Could not hit that target due to this uptrend and resistance. Therefore, the pricing can also hit the target for the breakout from this previous down channel as well after the breakout from this recent down channel. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 9 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.